Manuel has installed new mufflers, MAGNA FLOW RUMBLE Classic. Well, the undercarriage of my 76 Lincoln Mark IV looks pretty good, doesn't it? The guy in America already built in a new tank. Well, the exhaust was completely rotten. So we did it new from the mufflers all the way to the back. But we left the H-pipe. I'm really pleased with the condition of this car. Well, if you buy a used car from overseas, you always have to fix something. But in this case, it's really a very good car, I think. And now let's hear how that new exhaust sounds. So guys, if you want to know how this project is going on, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, I will try to introduce many more American cars over this summer. See you!